Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are having the Cloche collaboration, and this is an open for collaboration for anybody that wants to participate. Guys, if you don't have a cloche, you could make your own. For an example, I did this one. This is plastic for the Dollar Tree, and I got a candle holder. I didn't put permanent glue because if the plastic break, I could always do another one. So that's an idea. And if you have a little cake stand like so, you could use that. And if you have a glass vase like the one that I got here, like this one, just turn it upside down. Use a clear glass plate and make a cloche. So you see, very simple. All right, guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of different style because I do have a lot of stuff, but I just want it, and I'm going to be styling 3 style. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see my little tree here. I drifted that years ago. My Peter Rabbit bunny in the back, I thrifted him a long time ago, and it's actually Peter Rabbit. It came with a book. The book I gotta put away. All right, guys. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and At Home with Lisa. And we do have co-hosts, guys. Sandy Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and Cindy Small. I will be linking everybody's channel in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out and also watch the playlist. Guys, I'm going to be using some DIYs and some items that I actually have. I'm going to be using this. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I mean, it's not like they used to do back then, because they used to be nice and fluffy. So I'm going to do this. Also, I'm going to be using this little bunny rabbit. He looks so real, guys. Look at that. He was a gift from one of my YouTube friends. So I'm going to be placing him here. And this is the Spring Easter Edition. So you guys can do whatever you want. I'm also want to add little flower here, because when Easter comes around, so spring is coming around. And also I did some DIYs like I show you guys. These are eggshells. What you have to do, you open them through one end and you could decorate, paint them, and do whatever you want with them. So I'm going to put few in here, and I feel like I need to add something else. I'm going to add my little, this is a shrinker box, little bunny. So I'm going to add him here, like so. And I don't have a lot of greenery, so that will be a style number 1. And here you could add a little light, a blinking light. So I don't know if the light is gonna do any difference. So there you have it. So I don't know if you guys can see. So there you have it. Simple, guys, very simple. See? And also, actually, I'm going to grab some greenery that I just remember I had. So hold on. I actually like it this way better. I think it looks cute like this. You guys can see. Look at how beautiful that is. So I think this one turned out beautiful. I mean, The greenery is a reef. So I like this one, guys. So I'm going to leave this one like this, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Here, I'm having a little bit of difficulty. I'm going to use my vintage vase. This is very old, from the 1940s, 50s. So, and I just threw some greenery that I had laying in a box just to make it a little arrangement. So guys, I wanted to use my Forever Rose. You guys, I don't know if you guys ever seen it. This was a gift to me from my daughter. It's actually a real rose dipped in 24 karat gold and preserved. So that's what she looks like. It's beautiful. Um, I have the certificate of authenticity in the box, so I have to put it back in the box because this is not old enough. And of course, I don't want it to get ruined, so I will put it back away. So with this little vase, and it's going to be spring, we're going to be using the little bird with mommy and baby. So hopefully it will work out here. And an Easter egg. So one of my DIY eggs. I don't know. I'm not too convinced with that, with this from the Dollar Tree. So anyway, guys, let's see. Oh boy, everything looks so close. No, I have to feed the flowers. They're all squished down. Well, this is how this one is going to stay. There's not much that I can do with this one. So turn it around for you guys. I like it. I'm actually going to be display putting them around the house. So there you go. Simple, a vase. Now we're going to move on to, this is a cake stand, guys. This is a cake stand, and the big one, the bottom, is a cake stand as well. Here I want to do a little scenery with one of my collection knickknacks. This is from my collection. This is the girl smelling the flowers in the field. So I want to use her. Look at how beautiful she is, guys. And I know, guys, that Easter is the season for Easter is not this. It's actually about Christ, our Lord and Savior. Guys, I cannot find any of my religion items because I do have them put away, but not everything is put away. Let me correct that, because I do read my Bible and I do read my books from church. I just don't, my crosses are packed away very, very securely, and I don't want to take them out. So, yeah, guys. All right. Let me move to the next one. Guys, I actually don't know if I was recording for this one because I just noticed that it was the same amount of minutes that I was earlier, but this is what I did with this one after so many tries. I even mentioned that I wanted to use my Forever Rose, which it was a gift from my daughter, and she doesn't fit here. The clothes touch the top, and I don't want her to get ruined. I do have the certificate of authenticity. This is a real rose, guys, dipped and preserved. It's 24 karat gold, and the other thing is some type of resin or wax that they use. But look at how beautiful that is, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. Have to be very careful with it because it's delicate, guys. It's very delicate. This is the Forever Rose. All right, guys, so this is the one that I did with this one. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to move with the cake stand. And I'm going to use my little girl from my collection. Look at her face. She looks so real. Look at how beautiful. She is from my collection. Hand painted porcelain, created exclusive for Avon, 1982. So there you go. She's beautiful. So I want to do a little scenery here, and I'm going to show you different scenery until I show you the one that I want. Guys, I'm dealing with glass. These are Murano glass bunnies. And oh, that was so scary. Oh, he's flipping over. I don't know. Oh, because it's like a tip in there. I see. I don't want him. I don't want none of my bunnies to get ruined. Maybe if I lay this here. This one is giving me a little bit of a hard time. Let me show it to you guys. See how beautiful he is. His glass. And here's the other one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use them both here. Nope. I have to do one only. Okay. Want to add some little flowers. So I hope you guys are doing good. Guys, check out the Grace Life DIY Home Decor community tab or my community tab. I share her calendar for the month. So we have a lot of collaborations coming up, so you guys can go and check them out. I think I'm going to put one of these Dollar Tree little birds in there. I don't know if that's gonna work, but no, since too crowded. Maybe this one. The bunny seems to be too heavy. It keeps flipping over. Hopefully I could close this. All right, guys. Nope, the bunny's gonna flip. All right, now it's gonna stay. So this is what it looks like. We cannot put a light in there because it seems to be too much for it. But I think I'm going to take out that greenery and do it with the Dollar Tree thing, and maybe it'll stay. Let me check. So guys, what do you think about this one? I think this one is the best one that I like the most. Let me show you guys a little bit so you guys can actually see it very clear. So there's the little girl in there with the bunny, and I actually managed to put a little flickering light in there. So I'm going to turn off the main light and show all of them to you guys. But I have so many things that I could have put in there, but if I do show you all the different versions, guys, I will be here all night because I have so many. So here's this one. Let me bring you guys closer. Here is this one. I think it's beautiful. I do have a Lazy Susan, but I got it occupied, so let me actually get it. All right, guys, here it is. I think it looks beautiful. So now let's move this one to the side. And let's bring this one over here. The reason why it's a little darker because I want you guys to see with the light. Hi guys, I'm here. So here you guys have it. This is the other one. Now let's bring the big one. So guys, I hope you guys like what I put together for you guys. And remember guys, you guys can do a cloche. It is very simple. You guys see, I did my own cloche here. I hope you guys like it. I love them. They all turned out beautiful. But guys, you guys see behind me on the floor? That's a box of Easter decor. There goes my Peter Rabbit. And you see over there on the end of the hallway? That's more boxes. Yeah, guys. I want to thank Anna and Lisa and all the co-hosts. They decided to collaborate with us and made this Cloche collaboration possible for everyone. So guys, here it is, all three of them together. So yeah, guys. All right, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.